kesi bi on ba Adom TV so Adom TV so betwendwu media so dia wo kansi mu sempa esa Kenan no pensu ja medin di Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch ba ko pe the only nomenclature the professors degree in sports the Al Regina Wallace the nations presenter ana mesin kunyana me kono kwanten ko na esma odon esa Kenan no pensu bi e wo Ghana agudie 8 meja ka kire busuafo na fofo oyere oma wo fasefo na na mukrumo ene ompnafo ina so bia metna TV ni mu a yemfa enkomo no 8 senja Richo Komadama omna etechira bomena no penso yede enkomo no so 8 Benafi Game Park Limited so den hyehyɛ so kwatun saba utwa edin a obetua sadi bi na boa emo asetan so etua kwiwe mu ene sponsors ne mu tututu ne hwetwere twa mo techira bomena no penso yede a wo kansi hu sempa esaka etua jaw a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with first step yenhase emfanfi pre-season friendlies a etua sa tujwa Bayern Munich for transfer Man City for etwam ekamienu omo te ka ne ba ko Japan ana sa kins kese ne etua sa kutujwa. This is a match Saudi transfer pio nya pone kakra ho ediama hye no so am say Richo ko still person start today no na otiminya ne yedia Richo ko modern da say Ghana kuku and ye dia yintu setimi ke betia boa emo asetan so atimi akoye edi amao yentintom Ghana komu dia no say Minister for Youth and Sports Honorable Yusuf Mustafa enra ebo chenku eton sa defense central for modern di 17 todwa ni na say bibia betwema 13th African Games defense Accra 2023 no omgidi pass enkopem best December busumi die na ma property infrastructure ne meso mutimi ye na ebo ma sadwedi ne timi kwe no na no so etian satutu yi na ohwemu dia na se match busuminim e wa fe 2024 ana sadwedi no ankasa ebetian satofe before ansana akensi na ankasa betian baso no omgidi pass ye betest ye facility titu pa botema facility na fe so eye Legon University for so facility ampen 4 years omoye e dia boa e ma sadwedi so etimi akoyi.
On the cost for organizing the African Games, I cannot give you the total cost now because as we are going, we have the software and we have the hardware. The hardware have to do with the construction of the facility. Those one has been awarded, they are public information. Contractor UK, which is developing all the other sporting infrastructure, is $145 million US. We have Legon Sports Facility. The rugby field is going to be the best rugby field in West Africa once it's completed. We also have, when it comes to African Games or Olympic Games, each facility that you are developing, you are going to do it too. So we are developing a warm-up track just close by the University of Ghana Sports Stadium, which is by the requirement should be 5 meters away from the main bowl. So everything that you are doing it twice. The swimming pool, for example, we have swimming pool in the Trust Emporium, but it doesn't meet the international standard. Why? Because you have no warm-up pool. So this time, once we finish the 10-lane competition pool will be a world-class swimming pool. And Swimming Federation, or now called World Aquatic Federation, can organize their World Championship in Ghana once this facilities is done. And we are in touch with the World Aquatic Federation to do so. And apart from that, the multipurpose hall we are going to develop once we finish all the other federations, indoor games, basketball, volleyball, handball, they will be organizing their championship. We will drive more traffic. That's why I said we are positioning Accra as the sports hub within the West Africa region.
And the Minister for Youth and Sports, Honorable Yusuf Mustafa Nathan Council and Como 18 Santuja Diafa Accra 2023, Ghana Akantam said Yamia Doma Ebitia JCS so 2024 match busunim and a search within Ebitin out of him. Now Saki can each one central for Nya Quine, any minister boom Puni Puni beside minister Senanada, at say Coach Milovan Rival, Kobaji Black Stars Kakra Prechi, and so Uja Jumano, Nesika say Mutamano, Ayaka Kem, and no Pano, Nipo Bedina. Air coach CK Akono on also Nisika Etienne Sankem home she share crano at the same.
For your information, we have not paid, we still owe Milovan. All of CK Akono and Milovan, once their contract was terminated, we sat with them, negotiated their exit, and CK was paid $100,000 immediately after the negotiation, just as Milovan as well. We still owe both of them, and we are in the process. We have payment schedule, of which I will admit we have not been followed the payment schedule because of constraints of funds. But as and when we get funds, we'll be paying the two coaches. Both of them have written to the FA threatening to go to court. We have appealed to them that we are committed in making sure that we settle whatever that we have agreed with them. But both of them have received, just as CK and both of them have received $100,000 US. For the information, I want to clear the air. we have not finished paying Milo, the one we know Milo. We have not finished paying him.
And see, Yusuf Mustafa, a minister for youth and sports, not in a castle, Casampa, Cadia Daho, now so a camp pro, a chinchin, tia chinchin, now so sa two coaches in at Tetium Senamiadoma, woman anti omon camp the Umbeco court, but Tomasium, Samomo America, no more Fentia Secana Abadahono. Even in Chilemu, and so our deputy general manager, Mr. Enoch Ejare, on also the Abase club, no Shenim Senamiatoma, Umbetia prepare ahead of the Africa Confederations Cup from a Dreams Football Club, now Umbeto Place Cacadia Fra, and Sanam. Omni Guinea club from Semilo FC at the Omo Confederations Cup first game no at Miatin Tamso.
Yeah, share technical reports are we believe that we have the quality also, but we need some areas that we need to fill in. We are not going to do a wholesale transfers. We are going to fill some particular and some technical areas. We are it will cushion us to get the result that we are looking for.
Jare a deputy general manager at the Emma Dreams Football Club nothing and can say more Kwame Jakwe champion in the train kumo na oche say we are simusike so wasim so anitenye wo air Africa there but omon compare Africanist players and fan beton South African players omo division 1 and afin so Premier League nima na omotia modify sa players be omotia meet test no na omo dia koginem e Africa but me fan kumo so entwa to fama dia na say kick to build foundation when she says on kukura ura Abraham Boachi one man supporter and eda no oche so mo so anim say across the length and breadth of Ghana no ombetinya players bi omabene omi osintawe obobonim na afi mepem no wo mo atinya konkotenten na afi mepem no omasanton sa players na kopima buchi na timpo a enam so mom de ba ne se omhwe players bi se Reverend se kofimu Sunday Ibrahim any players e kan hona omse so emre mfi bom enyenye bie nti omo hwe nim se sa players ni bi go so teten kwankye a wo munya ma ombetinya abebo nti kwanya ana omo edeman kwalankuma wo so ebetin abasa justify bi
ye magana for a pray a tiffy attorney na for uni ball no ba be shoche akwa controlfi osimi suma ni mani be show na yehu into registration no ye registration na first week of August no ni ahwe nipa aba no ye wia ni move ko Kumase ni move ko Sunwan ni move ko Takrade ye for 4 regency for the meantime ni ahwe ni ebetuma ba mu ye wia ni ama omuwani abehwese we eye banche ye si jaso aben we be kakra na sana bebe we si enu ne se ye fafidie so asempa nwumre de ba bia be kasa bia no ba bia wu ba bia wo bia no atoye apre tifini anafo register star 899 star 133 hash na ma code afi time no so afremu nyano aba do code beba na fi coaches wo na fe waba no one kasa be boy ma opportunity no abebo na ehu we very good at boy you very good at usika nyemu an wodru
nti one man supporter Abraham Boachi ni dian kasa and atene kan say omode nhihye sunkuya be fen say kick 2 build we nhihye amode epen kwalankuma na mabisia kan ede ama o my Ghana me do sia na madawase na mo hye no so ma me say obese ospice ude ni dia new here ne say obetinya richuko na betinya start ude ni right but modern da say richuko so betinya sa ka bi eno a renewed energy and ede ma vitality na for the start ude no made from Ghana's finest and then the richest nutrients are good for the body and it but modern da so sabitia come family no and na say busuani na obi a person start ude ni twen sa koyi a on san kan richuko ukwa dwumam na hu say boss na say omunemu na ne dade a one start ni dey ni richuko any the only product betia boa e ma niam etia koyi dia ma richuko affordable I just say size bia bi e horma on set me kan ya customize every day bia e betin asama sa nourishment no go ahead na enjoy richuko no na start with day right the Ghanaian way and e dey nkomo e dey ama no ye kan na Game Park Limited paying for Sadama, the Shesson question, Bom Sekai, say obetimi enya san Shesson Queen, almost say you got the mula, a kamula, a sikaga, kudi cash near Kamasem, and I feel so who is cancer, they say, oh, power, they say, 2 minutes, I'll be doing some Ghanaian's newest gamer, yeah, called life, Adom TV, so Tiana Wash, and so the mom say, you may deal Debiano, a bit in San, but daily draw no at 9 a.m., 12 p.m., and I feel 6 p.m., Adom TV, so Mr. Modia saw betting a pick your phone, and as our tablet, no, or computer, and switch out between us, download a Game Park games no App Store na Play Store no so na oni etin settings so easy to play and a sign easy to win but more than that so sabitin saka bi chale na yanko play this game na make some mula and as a cash ga kudi and e kan wasem no obi eni ho an bet no EBT all sa ye dia ba Ghana sisi ntim so e afa ho Game Park games nim more mula more power and you want to say Ediamano. This game is regulated by the National Lottery Authority. The pacho unim feeling watcha and found him and paying for grow and I face so better for Jonica 18 years to game with so yes I bet diwa and I said chacha idiwa was so a bit me Aishi with 3 bit and sabum when you bit and sapunsu it himself a game pack limited on the design shares from Cretan Saba who do jima a bit and boy was some sick duty on them now also wabe the for that we and sponsors a more to 2 near church from Techriboa and men on pencil Yadia will can see on some pine sakai 8 mijao within the prof Kiwalasa we did catch back open of demo and of course evidence based presentation 8 mijao already entering anima on your case if you need a Sunni now found Kobe so the act of being a good guest is to now to say goodbye.